पूछ रहे हैं उसे लग रहा है. What is search spec? Search spec. ये search specification. So what happens is, let's say there is a requirement. They have this requirement. They are using service request for service requests, but they are also using something called as project, which is based on service request BC. That means when a user sees two separate screens in the application, one service request is already there, screen is already there. He also sees another screen called projects. Both these are mapped to two separate BCs. One BC is project, second BC is service request as expected. First BC is project. One applet can only map to one BC. These both are based on service request BC. We understand this service request is obviously based on service request. This project is also based on service request. That's what we say, which simply means the data is stored in only one table. The table is s_srv_rec. If you're working in data too much, you will know these things. But anyways, table is only one. Out of the box Siebel simply have this screen service request. We know about this screen, and as you know, this screen is simply mapped to service request business component. We understand that these applets. ठीक है, अंडरस्टैंड द लैंग्वेज. मतलब स्क्रीन मुझे एप्लेट वगैरह बोलने की जरूरत नहीं है मतलब इस कॉन्टेक्स्ट में. बट एनीवे, सो सर्विस रिक्वेस्ट इज द BC. If I want to make another screen with projects, which will have obviously my projects, this and that, and applets will be projects, and then projects entry applet and all that stuff, then project entry applet will be mapped to the BC called project. Interesting point is they both will be storing the data in table. So here is the situation. One table which has multiple columns, agreed. Two BCs are based on that table. It's two separate BCs. One is service request BC, one is project BC. Project BC may, let's say there are 3 fields which are required. In this BC there are 7 fields which are required. Remember, that's what we mean, right? We want to separate everything at the BC level. That is one reason, so that we can have the flexibility in creating as many BCs as we want. That's what Siebel wants to control. So anyway, in BC level we create 2 separate BCs. Now when someone goes to my projects, this is a $1 million thing. He should see only those service requests which are of type project, not other service requests. When someone goes to my service requests, he should see only those things which are service requests, but we are storing everything in one table, right? So at the BC level, we need to put a role. Out of the box में तो service request BC is mapped to service request table and nothing else is mapped there. We don't need to put any additional rule. But now we are saying we'll use this table to store something else also. So we have to put a rule in the BC. If it is service request, show in service request BC and corresponding views and all. If it is something else, or in this case project, then show it in project view. We have to put this rule somewhere, right? So in case we are reusing a table for some other thing, entity basically, and we are making another BC on it, there is a field that we use to say if this field is equal to project, then show here in the project and at screen. If this field is equal to service request, then show here. So if you are making a new BC now, the work increases drastically for the developer. That is his problem. That is why Siebel, they don't create new BCs just like that. It's a lot of work. But anyway, because they have to go to each and every screen and say that. Now they cannot show all the screens, all the service requests, all the data in the table. Let's say someone goes to all service request view. They cannot just go to service request table and bring all the data and show there, because they are storing something else also there.
Yeah.
So they have to put a condition somewhere. They have to update in the BC of service request that all the things which are stored in this table, which are of type service request. That thing is called a search spec. So in the BC, if there is a search spec, many times we need a search spec. Okay, the data in the table may not be same. Remember, we were making a query. We saw in all contacts, we saw 2500 contacts. You go to contact table and you see 3,500 contacts. That means this table is used for something else also. How does it matter? It matters because here in this project itself, they are using one table, two separate BCs. All the gap analysis that you are doing, you have to keep in mind that they have to create everything on the basis of this new BC or the old BC. Making sense? Data is stored in the same table, but there are two different types of data.
Which it is mapped to.
Yeah, and two separate BCs are mapped. Then where is this filter condition put? This filter condition is entered in the search spec in the BC level. In the BC level. So if you see, even in vanilla, now this is $1 million thing. You better learn this thing. Even in vanilla, many BCs are actually are having a search spec. Even this one is having a search spec.
Can we read out personal?
Gaurav,
Huh?
I have one question.
Ask.
The vanilla winning model of Cebu